Now question number 8. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Z joins the firm. X surrenders 1/4 of his share and Y 1/5 of his share in favor of Z. Find new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. So over here, X and Y, they were partners and they were sharing profits in the ratio 2:1, that is 2/3 and 1/3. Z is been admitted as a new partner. X surrenders 1/4 of his share in favor of Z and Y surrenders 1/5 of his share in favor of Z. So here we will calculate the surrender share. X old share was 2/3. Of his 2/3 share, 1/4 has been surrendered in favor of Z. So he has surrendered 2/12. Now Y has surrendered 1/5 of his share in favor of Z. Y's share was 1/3. 1/5 of 1/3 is 1/50. Now the denominators are not equal. To make the denominators equal, what we will do, we will multiply the denominators of these ratios with opposite partners. 1/4 यहाँ था x का, so y will be multiplied by 4 and in the denominator, and the same number will be used to multiply the numerator. X, in case of y, 1/5 was surrendered, 5 was the denominator, so we will multiply x denominator by 5 and 5 will also be multiplied as the numerator. So the ratio comes to 10/60 and here 4/60. This is the surrender share. Now the new profit sharing ratio, x 2/3 minus 10/60 is equal to 40 minus 10/60. 3 20s are 22s are 40 is equal to 30/60. This is the new ratio of x. Y's old ratio was 1/3 minus the surrendered part 4/60. So 60 is the LCM. 3 20 21s are 20 minus 4 is equal to 16/60. Now Z, he has taken 10/60 from x and 4/60 from y. So 60 is the LCM. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14/60. So the new ratio is 30:16:40. It is 15:8:7 after simplifying it. Now the sacrificing ratio, x 2/3 was the old ratio minus 30/60 is equal to 60 is the LCM. 3 20s are 22s are 40 and minus 30 is equal to 10/60. For y, 1/3 was the old ratio, 16/60 is the new ratio. 60 is will be the LCM. 3 20s are 21s are 20 minus 16 is equal to 4/60. So 10:4 or 5:2 is the sacrificing ratio. Now question number 13. Question number 13 says, A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 4:3. They admit C as a partner, giving him 1/6 share. A and B decided to share future profits equally. Compute sacrificing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So here A and B, they were the partners and they were sharing profits in the ratio 4:3, that is 4/7, 3/7. C is the new partner and he is been admitted for 1/6 share. Now the question says A, B decide to share future profits equally. A and B, they have decided that they are going to share the future profits equally. So we will first of all calculate the total share of the firm. We will add up A and B's share. 4/7 plus 3/7. 7 is the 4 plus 3 is equal to 7/7 is equal to 1. From this we will subtract C share. Minus 1/6 is equal to 6 is the LCM. So 1 1 6 are 6, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 by 6. Now this 5 by 6 will be distributed between A and B in the new ratio. Their new ratio is already given, that is equal. So 5 by 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 12, and B's share will be 5 by 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 12. Now C's share was 1 by 6 into, to make it the denominator equal to 12, we will multiply the denominator by 2 and the numerator also by 2 is equal to 2 by 12. So the new ratio is 5:5:2. Now the sacrificing ratio, A old ratio was 4 by 7 minus the new ratio 5 by 12 is equal to, so 84 is the LCM, 7 12 are 12 4s are 48, 12 7s are 7 5s are 35, 48 minus 35 is equal to 13 by 84. B's old ratio was 3 by 7 and the new ratio is 5 by 12. From 3 by 7 minus 5 by 12 is so 84 is the LCM, 7 12s are 12 3s are 36, 12 7s are 7 5s are 35. From 36 minus 35 we will get 1 by 84. So the sacrificing ratio is 13:1. Now question number 10. This is an entirely different concept. Question number 10. In question number 10 it is given here. It is A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. C is admitted on the condition that profit sharing ratio between B and C be 5:4. Find the profit sharing ratio of A, B and C. Now in this question the old ratio of A and B are given. The new partner is admitted and it is clearly mentioned that he will be admitted in case that B and C will share the profits in the ratio 5:4. So the ratio of the new partner and one of the existing partner is also given. Old ratio between A and B was 3:2. Now the new ratio, that is expected ratio of B and C is 5:4. Now we have to calculate the new ratio. Now see, A, his share was 3. Now here instead of calculating the proportions on the basis of the ratios, we will take the ratio between B and C as the proportion. So A's share will be 3 of 5 by 4. 5 by 4. So 3 into 5 by 4 is to 5:4. This is the new ratio. Now here 15. 5 3s are 15 by 4 is to 5:4. Now we will multiply B and C's share by the denominator of A. So 15 will be A's share, 5 4s are 20 and 4 4s are 16. So the new ratio between A, B and C will be 15:20:16. Now what has been done in the book is that B and C share has been simplified by dividing them by 2. 2 times are 2 8s are, और further भी divide हो सकता है. 2 5s are 2 2s are 5:2 हो जाता. So it's clear. Now question number 15 is again a new concept over here. Question number 15b. This is question number 15b. So question number 15b says A and B were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. They admitted C as a new partner. The new profit sharing ratio between A, B and C was 3:2:2. A surrendered 1/4 of his share in favor of C. Calculate B's sacrifice. Now surrender of A is given and we have to calculate B's sacrifice, and the new profit sharing ratio is also given. This is question number 15B. So see over here, A and B were partners. They were sharing profits in the ratio 4:7 and 3:7. C has been admitted as a new partner and A has surrendered 1/4 of his share in favor of C. So the new profit sharing ratio is also given, that is 3:7, 2:7 and 2:7 between A, B and C. Now the surrendered share of A is 4/7 was his old share, 1/4 of it was given to C. So 4/7 into 1/4 is equal to 4/28. So 4 sevens are 28. 1/7 has been surrendered. So new profit sharing ratio of A will be 4/7 minus 1/7 is equal to 4. 7 is the LCM. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3/7, which is been shown over here. Now B's old ratio is given and B's new ratio is given. So we will calculate the sacrificing ratio of B, which is simple, old minus new. 3/7 minus 2/7 is equal to 7 is the LCM. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1/7. So it's clear. So all the cases of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio has been dealt with. Tomorrow we are going to start the treatment of goodwill, because the valuation of goodwill step has already been discussed in the previous chapter. The remaining questions you will do yourself.